Welcome back, party people. My name is Darrel Wilson, and today we're going to take a look at the new Divi Marketplace. Woo! Now, in case you've been living under a rock and you have no idea what I'm talking about, the Divi Marketplace is a marketplace created specifically for the Divi theme only. So it offers Divi child themes, Divi plugins, and also Divi layouts. Now, before I talk about what I like and my recommendations for each category, I want to educate you a little bit about Divi child themes versus layouts, because that's a #1 most asked question on my YouTube channel. So essentially, a layout is just, imagine you loading up Divi and you make your website and you export the JSON file. That's a layout. So it has no special PHP functions to it. It's just a specific design that you made with the Divi builder, and that is it. So anyone can do that. It's really, really easy. A Divi child theme is more of a sub-child theme that basically overwrites a lot of PHP files, and it kind of creates a different version of Divi, but it's still using Divi. So essentially, you can have different headers and footers and different shop pages and different blog pages. However, with the new theme builder, it's kind of outdating child themes a little bit. But one thing to also note is that when there's a massive update, usually child themes will not be affected in any way, and Divi layouts, there is a small chance they could be affected depending on the update. So that's just the difference between the two. So think about it like this: Divi child theme, pre-made website, pre-made theme customizer, and Divi layout, just a design that you made and you exported. That's the only difference. All right, so first, Divi child themes. Who do I recommend and what do I like? Well, I like the actual author, Mark Hendrickson, and I actually like the author of Divi Den as well. The Grow right here is a layout that's created by Mark Hendrickson. I think a lot of his work's really nice. It looks like the Divi e-commerce is the #1 most selling. That's probably because Divi has always lacked in the e-commerce field, and I think that the child theme is succeeding because Divi doesn't have an add to cart button. Their layouts are kind of they're subpar, you know, they're all right. Now, if you want to actually see all of the author's work, what you can do is click on the product and then click on the actual name, and you'll get a list of a lot of their products. See, I like the Mark Hendrickson layouts. I think they're actually very ideal. Like the roofing one, I think that's a really nice one. It looks very practical. It looks like a real roofing company would actually use it, because I know we've seen some of the Divi layouts, and I mean, it looks like they're playing Tetris all day when they're making their layouts. They have those blockish styles, and you know, I'm just not a fan of the Divi designs, but you know, that's just me. You can let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, Divi Business Pro is a really good one. I like the style of this one. I think it looks good. And also Divi Handmade. This is great for female bloggers. So if you're a blogger and you want just a very clean website, the Divi Handmade, to me, I thought was just really nice. It's very unique and it's just very clean, and it's also a little feminine. So I just like the look and the style of it. And also, again, the roofing one, I thought that was a really good one. And then they have a few more, but one I also really like that's actually very underrated is the Divi Dental Care. I want to take a look at this one really quick just to show you what I like about this, because it sounds, I mean, the category isn't really popular, but I just like the design aspect of this. I think it works for pretty much any kind of website. So I do like the header. The header, I mean, you can make this an attorney website. You can make this a doctor's website. You just have to swap the pictures and everything. But I just like this header. I think it's friendly. I think it's easy to navigate. This landing page I'll probably change. You know, this is just too generic for me, but that's just, you know, that's just my taste. And then we have, you know, some blurbs. We have this section with the call to action. And then we have this section. And of course, you can make this like a doctor's or an attorney's just by swapping the images and the actual icons. And overall, I just like the actual style and design of this, even though maybe dental care is not the biggest niche, but I just like the style of it. I just think it was really creative, and yeah, you know, that was just one of my personal favorites. It's very underrated. There are some free layouts and child themes that you can get as well. So one of them was from Divi Den, and I'll talk more about that when we talk about the actual the layouts. And another one that I really liked was the Go On as well. So I've seen this guy actually in Facebook groups, and he first started off as an amateur, and you know, I was there too. I thought when I first made websites, every website I made was amazing, and when someone criticized it, I was like, oh, you're just a hater, bro. You know, you're just a damn hater. But it was true. You know, my website design was terrible, and it just took me time to realize that. And now I can see this guy's making layouts that are actually really nicely designed. So if you're selling a digital product, you can see that it just looks very clean. I like the way it looks. And overall, I would say I like the colors and the design aspect of this layout. So yeah, I mean, this one I think is actually a really good one too. So if you're selling digital products, that's actually a really nice one to have for your websites. And then let's see, we have I think that's pretty much it for the Divi child themes. Divi roofing theme I thought was really nice, and yeah, these other ones are not bad. You know, you'll have to just go through these and take a look, but those ones that I mentioned, those are probably my personal favorites for the Divi child themes. So next, let's take a look at the Divi plugins, and I'm so happy that they created some of these extensions, and there's one of them that's very underrated, but has been like the biggest nightmare for people using Divi, and I'll talk about that in just a bit. But Divi Supreme Pro is actually one of the most ones that I recommend on my YouTube channel, and even before the marketplace, this was the #1 most selling product for me joining their affiliate program. So everyone wanted this even before the marketplace was out. It basically adds 40 more modules for Divi, and that's a lot. So it kind of like bridges the gap with what Divi doesn't offer. You can just get this plugin and use it, and yeah, it offers like just tons of really cool modules and everything. Also, the Divi carousel module, that's actually a really good one. I actually know the owner. He's a good guy. He made some layouts for me in the past, and I think that his products are really clean. He does offer like a massive amount of footer templates also on his website. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, you can go ahead and go to divigear.com and check those out. And also the Divi table maker. Yes, thank you so much. Now I know making a table with Divi, let's just be honest, you can't make a table with Divi because Divi out of the box is not responsive. It's just not. I don't care what anyone says. Divi out of the box is not responsive. And making a table with Divi, I mean, that's just a nightmare. You know, like that's just like a Dr. Seuss's worst nightmare. But this Divi table maker just makes it a lot easier. So if you're an affiliate and you want to promote a product, or you want to, you know, just have some sort of nice table, you can use this plugin to make tables. And yeah, that's always good to have. So there's other ones too, like this one here looks actually really nice. I haven't actually purchased and tried it yet, but yeah, that's always cool to have. The Divi Toolbox, I do have a video promoting that as well. It just adds a lot more to your website that Divi doesn't offer. It offers particle effects, different blog layouts, different styles of your header and your footer. So if you do want to just, you know, add some decor to the website here and there, the Divi Toolbox kit is actually a really good plugin to have, and that actually is a pretty good selling plugin that I promote on YouTube. The Divi Rocket, you know, I'm skeptical on this one. You know, I don't know. I don't know. Has anyone tried this plugin? If you've tried this plugin, let me know in the comments below. You know, I'm not gonna spend 90 bucks to find out if it makes Divi faster. I mean, I think a normal caching plugin can, but hey, I don't know. You know, maybe they did something. I don't know. So that's interesting. So if they can prove it, I don't mind them coming on my channel and showing me. You know, if it really works, you guys can come on my channel and show me, and I'll be like, wow, you know, that's amazing. And one is my favorite. Where is it? I'm gonna show you my favorites because I've been looking for this plugin for a long time, and it was never out, and then they finally made it. It's not really popular, but I don't care. You know, I don't care. I love this plugin. Where is it? Here it is. The Divi Ajax search. Yes. So essentially what this allows you to do is it allows you to have a search Ajax on Divi. Now, if you are using another search Ajax plugin, the chances are it won't pick up a lot of stuff that is made with Divi. So now you'll see that it's like, hey, let's go type in Divi, and then we have this beautiful drop down with even a scroll where you can go ahead and scroll for certain products, certain content, something. And I do love that, and I'm really happy this plugin came out because in the past I've tried to make websites with Divi and they wanted a search function, and I tried the plugins on ThemeForest, but they just didn't work. You know, I'm like, someone needs to make a good one, you know, for Divi, and they did. So thank you so much for making this plugin, and I hope you guys buy this one. You know, this is a very highly requested plugin that I was looking for a very long time. So I'm glad someone out there made it. So those are my favorite plugins, and you can let me know what you think about those plugins that I mentioned in the comments below. And then also we have the last one is layouts. Let's pick on someone. You know, I haven't picked on someone in a long time. Let's find some terrible layouts and pick on somebody. I'm just kidding. The Divi header pack, that's actually really helpful because now you have just a massive amount of headers to pick from instead of having to make it yourself and deal with the responsiveness. I think the biggest problem with the headers with Divi is making it responsive. Let's just be honest. It's very difficult to make things responsive with Divi. The Local Biz Pro, that's another one created by Mark Hendrickson, which I liked. So that's one I recommend. The grocery homepage layout, that's actually very interesting. I haven't tried that, but that one looks very interesting to me. And then there was another one that I liked was the accountant layout. So let me just give you here the accountant. Oh, it's free. So this was created by DiviDen, and this is a free layout. So you can see a live demo of it. Now, the reason why I like the DiviDen layout is because their designs are a little bit more unique. They kind of think outside of the box. They're not that typical corporate look that you see all of the time. I mean, this one is a little bit, but they do have other layouts that are just that aren't. You know, I've seen a lot of their child themes and layouts, but they offer some really nice stuff. They haven't uploaded everything. Let's go take a look here. They have 4 products they uploaded. They haven't uploaded everything just yet, but I think they will. So just give them time. But on their website, they have some just really nice stuff. I've seen it and I'm just like, man, these designs are really, really nice. I really do like it. So those are some of my picks for the actual for the child themes and the extensions and also the layouts. Again, my favorite designers was Mark Hendrickson and Divi. I'm hoping Divi uploads more products because they're making me look bad right now by not having a lot of products. Also, I haven't really used a lot of these other ones for layouts, so I'm interested to see this. For the actual blog and the actual shop page, I don't think there is shop page, but I'm assuming these are layouts for the theme builder. So they are layouts, but you'd probably upload them in the theme builder and then you would work from there. Let's go ahead and pick on someone. Let's go ahead and pick on someone. You know, let's do that, guys. Come on, I haven't picked on anyone in a long time. What's this one? A hero pack, huh? Come on, let me find one. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Is this one? Let's go ahead and see this one. Let's pick on one person just to give them some publicity here on this video. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. Divi Fortune, the Dentist Home Layout Pack. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one. Looks like the website's loading a little slow. And let's see here. You know, I can't make fun of it. It's not terrible. You know, it's not. So maybe in my next video, I'll go through and I'll find the worst layouts and we'll call them out. But I just like to have fun. You know, that's just what I like to do. You know, but in reality, I'm really glad all these people are uploading, you know, layouts and everything because it's just creating more free stuff. Ooh, there's another free one, free consulting layout. Ooh. You guys might want to check that one out. That one looks interesting as well. So I can go through this all day long, and I'm sure you can too. But again, if you are looking for Divi child themes, Divi, Divi layouts, Divi plugins, Divi this, Divi that, check out the marketplace. They're always adding new products. And also make sure to look at the new arrivals as well, because when you first come to this website, you might see the same stuff all the time. And it's like, okay, I've already seen this. So you have to go to the new section. To the let's see here, for Divi child themes, they have a new arrivals tab, so you can see what they created that was new. And always make sure to check out the new section because these developers and designers get buried under a lot of other products, and it sucks. It really just sucks, and it's no one's fault. It's just there's so many products out there. So always check out the new arrivals for everyone. Let's go ahead and check out new arrivals for plugins. Let's see what we can get here. New arrivals. No. Oh, these ones right here. So Divi Builder Model, Hide and Show Pro, ribbon module for Divi. Yeah, I'm not sure about that one. Divi Image Hover module. You know, do you need a plugin for that? I don't know. It's like Divi Areas Pro. So there's so many cool little gadgets and plugins they have that I'm just kind of interested. You know, I can spend like thousands of dollars on this stuff and just kind of check stuff out. The blurbs, huh? Footer sections. Ooh, that's interesting. I've seen this developer. I'm not a big fan of his products, but then again, that's just my personal preference. So anyways, go have fun, you know, downloading products. Also, if you guys need a discount for Divi, I do have a 20% discount for Divi in the description below. Personally, I don't even know if I get affiliate commissions if I recommend you to this marketplace. I really don't know because there's no affiliate program for it. So I'm not really trying to make money on these products. I don't know if there's an affiliate program. I really don't know. So no one tells me anything from Elegant Themes. Now I wish they did. I wish they would outreach to me and say, hey Darrel, you know, we have this coming out, you know, can you talk about it? Something. And I just get nothing from them, but that's okay. You know, everyone has their secrets. So again, guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to check out the Divi Marketplace, and I'll see all of you party people in the next video, guys. Take it easy.